As I lay sleeping, I dream I hold you in my
of Macau district? Is it because that Father Angel, way back 1996 at the airport chapel, he came from the Philippines, and the first word that we heard from him is, Mabuhay! Pinampala ka ng Diyos. So that means, from then on, Father Angel was with us at the airport chapel with the loss of the Reverend Father Oregon. And he used to be with us at the China Coast community for every second Sunday of the month. And very well enough that he is our priest and at the same time our entertainer. So with that, till last 2016, we started the Rosary Gathering in Macau with my sister there in Our Lady of Fatima Parish, wherein he was the parish priest. Again, Father Angel, thank you very much for your continued love and support to all of us. And especially now we are here in Joy Holy Family Parish. Salamat po at pagpalain ka ng Diyos.
Maraming salamat po. Pagpalain ka ng Diyos.
Thank you. And now let us watch their performance. Wow, that was so special. Again, this is once a year. So if you want to see one more time, see you.
But when I walk near, I want this again. So I hung my head and cried. We sing together. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy with as I rain. You never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't turn my sunshine away. The other night, dear, as I was sleeping, I dreamed I hold you in my arms. But when I woke, dear, I was taken. So I hung my head and cried. Mabuhay!